This video is in regard to our Samsung DV331AEW/XAA dryer. It's approximately 18 months old, 6 months out of warranty. The problem that we're having is with this particular dryer is that the drum has cracked on the back in such a short period of time. The video that you're looking at, I've got the drum turning, and you'll see as we rotate around where the crack has begun to form, and you hear that loud noise as I move the drum back and forth. When this began to occur about 2 months ago, I thought that there was a pair of tennis shoes inside there. That's the way that it sounds when the dryer is closed and currently in operation. I contacted Samsung and they refused to provide any kind of warranty support. Now you'll see with the dryer in operation mode, you'll see how it turns around and makes the click sound as it gets to the bottom of the dryer. The crack opens and then closes. Now I've got a couple of still shots that I want to show you that of the crack that is back in the back of the dryer. You notice in this particular one how the cracks are beginning to expand the longer I go. I have to admit that I'm disappointed in this particular product. I expected more from Samsung.